Hello guys, Dark Lord here again with another informative video. In my previous video, I talked about SNR, breakout and retracement. In this video, I am going to talk about kinds of SNR. There are so many kinds of SNR, but in this video, I explain the three basic kinds of it. Start with the bouncing line. It's the first kind of SNR. Why it's necessary to know about these SNR types? Because when we work on short charts, it's important to know about these levels. Some short charts are work on support and resistance area. Some work on the area where SNR is not present. So we have to know about these levels. Because sometimes we trade candle hit to these levels and go to the opposite direction, and then we lose our precious money. Therefore, we must know the types of SNR. Back to the topic. First kind of SNR is bouncing line. What does it mean? It means from where market can bounce. For example, if you know the explanation of SNR in my previous video, the market was bounce or SNR level, remember? This is called bouncing line. Why? Because market come to this level 1, touch it and bounce or reverse. Same for the other level too. Whenever market comes to this particular level, it bounce back. So it's called bouncing line. Second is lonely candle. Lonely candle is also a strong SNR. Lonely means alone. In market, if buyers are present and suddenly some sellers come to market and then buyers take control again. So this red candle, which indicates the sellers in market, is called lonely candle. Why it is a strong SNR? Because buyers were in good power and pulled the market in upward direction. Then this one guy entered the market, spent his money and stopped all the previous pressure on its own. So this alone candle is called lonely candle. The third type of SNR is stuck area, also known as zombie zone. Why this is a strong SNR? Because in this area there exists two SNR, the one above and second below. Because of these two SNRs, buyers and sellers are fighting to each other. Market run in linear fashion in this area. Linear means in one line, not going to upward or downward direction. Because of these two SNRs and fighting of buyers and sellers, this area itself a powerful SNR for the future market. Okay, I hope you understand these three kind of SNR. Market mostly reverse from these strong levels, so we must not ignore these levels while trading. So that's all for today. In my next video, we will see the example of these SNR. If you are interested to join our group, link is in description below. Our group is like the mine of knowledge given by Sir Untung Barsama. I hope you enjoy the video. Get as much knowledge as you can, because this is a long journey, not a child's play. Well, that's it. Share this knowledge to help other people as well. See you in my next video. Bye bye.